How to add an audio fade in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page where you can see your timeline. Next, find the audio clip you want to add a fade in effect to. Hover your mouse over the beginning of the audio clip in the timeline. You will see a small white handle appear near the edge. Then, tap and drag this handle inward to create a fade in. Dragging from the start of the clip will create the fade in effect. The more you drag it, the longer and smoother the fade will be. You can adjust the length of the fade by moving the handle further or closer to the clip's edge, depending on how gradual you want the fade to sound. If you want more control over the fade curve, you will see a white line that you can adjust to make the fade sharper or smoother by dragging the curve. Additionally, for precise audio volume automation, you can add keyframes by holding down the Alt key and tapping on the volume line in the audio track. Move these keyframes up or down to create custom fade effects or volume changes. Once you are satisfied with the fade effect, play back the timeline to check how the audio transitions in. And that's it. Now you know how to add an audio fade in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.